I share a lot of videos of me just traveling by myself, but I do actually travel with other people, including my parents. So in this video, I will share what it was like to be aboard the Carnival Magic in December of 2018 with my parents. So we basically had a tiny matchbox of a space to call our own, and that was not the most comfortable experience in the world, but we had so much fun exploring together. You would think we drive each other crazy, but we did pretty good. So I really hope you guys like the video, but if you don't, like, don't tell me. I'm kidding, tell me, but like, tell me nicely. I'm new. It's time for me to go get dinner. Bye. I will leave a link in the description below so you can go get one for yourself and make me some money.